Do you want to get targeted traffic to the United Kingdom demographic? As you can see right now, the platform which we're actually going to be using actually gets most of its traffic, as about 95% of its traffic, from the United Kingdom. And if you do stick until the end of this video, I'm going to reveal that particular platform to you. And if you also go on to check in the amount of visits this particular website gets, you can actually do see right here that it gets about 22.2 million visits in the last 28 days right now, based on similar web statistics. And this is actually a very cool traffic source you can use to go onto driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers in the United Kingdom demographic. And right now, guys, we're going to dive right into today's video. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, do make sure you scroll through my channel and check out some cool videos that could be helpful to you right now. So what you want to do right now, guys, is to actually go on to logging into your account right here on CPAGRIP. If you don't have an account, click on register. You're brought to this page. Fill out this form. Basically only the fields with the red asterisk signs, as they are actually the required field which you must go on to fill in before you can get your account created. You can actually do check these boxes out to actually agree to the terms of service, and do click on register now to go on to creating an account on this platform. So guys, I'm actually on this page right now to go on to selecting offers which I can actually promote to the United Kingdom demographic. And to actually get to this page, you want to come right here, click on offer tools, and click on my offers, and you can actually come and filter your offers to the United Kingdom demographic right now. Once you do that, you'll be able to see offers available to this demographic. You could filter your offers based on payouts. These are actually the highest paying offers in this demographic that paid about $6.42, and you can see that their credit card submit offer. I want to just simply select a better kind of offer, maybe a zip submit offer, and you want to also select something that is kind of a sweepstake offer. This actually fits into my category right now. As you can see, it's a giveaway offer for an Amazon gift card, and it's also an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer, and the payout to this offer is $1.71. And for every successful lead which you do get, you get paid $1.71. To drive traffic to this, you want to copy this unique affiliate link and create a simple landing page using any landing page builder site out there. You could use systemy.io, you could use the breezy.io, or the Google site right now. Create a simple landing page and link that to that particular CPA marketing offer. Once you do that, you want to then just simply head onto the platform which we're actually going to be using to drive traffic to our CPA marketing offer, which is called the gumtree.com. If you head onto this platform, this is an amazing platform which you can actually take advantage of right now. As you can actually come right here, click on sell. If you do click on sell right now, guys, the page is actually going to go on to loading up. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm being brought to this page where I actually do go on to posting an ad, and you can see I can select the category of my ad, e.g. the car, the Ford, the sofa. I'm just going to select something like Amazon or something like gift card right now. If I come right here and select something like gift card, that's not actually available right now among the options. So I'm just going to go on to maybe putting in something like a gift or giveaway. So basically I'm going to select these orders right now, which are actually some goods right now. If I do select that particular category right there, it's actually going to load up, and I can actually do add in the zip code or postal code to the location which I want to promote my offer to. So basically, guys, I'm just going to go onto Google right now, and I'm just going to go on to searching for zip code in the United Kingdom. I'm going to type in postal code, and once I search for the postal code in UK, you can actually see a lot of particular websites that is actually going to give you postal codes available in the United Kingdom. And if you do go on to selecting one of those particular posts right now, I can actually even get one right now even without clicking on any post right here. I'm just going to copy from this outside section. Once I copy that, I'm going to head back to that particular platform and do paste in that right in here. And once I paste in that right now, click on go. That will actually be available. As you can see, this is not available right now. I'm just going to go back and actually do search for a better one. So I actually got one right there, and once you do add that right there, you want to just simply come right here and fill out the other details right here. You want to put in a photo, and I'm just going to go back to CPAGRIP, download this exact same photo, save that on my device and actually go on to using that right in here. So once I save the image, I'm going to head back to this section, click on add photo, and actually upload that exact same photo. You can see the photo is actually being uploaded. You could add in more photos if you do have more. For this title right here, I'm going to fill that based on CPAGRIP standards right now, or the details right here on CPAGRIP. So right here you can see it says the description is actually quite small right now. You want to just simply add in more text right here to this description. So once I do add that right here, for the price, you want to just simply put this as 0 right now, because you want to give it for free. You can actually do add a website link, but you're actually going to be using about $2.50 or €2.50. But you can actually go on to using a very simple trick. Just tell them that to go to this link right here. You can actually put it right here in this section, but you're not actually going to make that pronounced. What you want to do is to copy the link to this particular page, and I'm just going to go on to using a very cool website or link shortener right now called tinyurl.com. So guys, as you can see, the page is actually loading up. All I actually have to do is to paste in that link right here in this section, click on shorten URL, and I do get a new URL. I'm going to copy that right now, head back to Gumtree, and actually do paste in that right in here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to remove this HTTPS section. I'm also going to come right here and actually do space this section right now. If I do space this section, I'm just going to put in something like in brackets so that they will be able to actually interpret that. Once you actually do put in all these details right here and leave this as dots right now, you want to then just simply come right here and continue to the next step right in here. And if you do come right down, guys, you can actually go on to clicking on post my ad, and your ad should actually be posted for free on this particular platform. And this is quite cool right here. As you can see, it says thanks for posting your ad, which is claim your Amazon gift card right here. And this will actually be listed on this platform, and as many people that actually do go on to seeing that will be able to go on to maybe completing that offer right now, and you do get paid some cool cash because your link is actually inserted in that particular text. Even without paying any money right now, as a beginner, you can actually do get traffic to your ad. And guys, this is an amazing strategy which you can take advantage of right now, and I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, make sure you do leave a like button, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.